Did you have any favorite teachers in school? And if you could share what made them your favorite particularly?
Well, I was particularly fond of a teacher who was teaching us geography. And my passion or interest in geography came about more so because of the teacher.
Oh,
You see, she was so involved with every student that she knew the potential of every child. And she was so well prepared. She understood the subject, gave us a lot of projects to do, and she knew the weaknesses and strengths of every child. Like as I mentioned to you, I was good in art.
yeah.
So she will tell me that, Shishir, why don't you come up and make a map on the board so that the class can do it.
It was very engaging class.
So she was very engaging, very inspiring, and her persona was so good that a lot of students who were students with them, I thought, became fond of geography as a subject. So a real good teacher can really inspire you to enjoy a particular class.
Yeah, no, absolutely, absolutely. I want to ask you, when you face a hurdle or a bump on the road, is there something in particular that inspires you to work harder and overcome that?
First of all, I believe that one should have a very clear vision and a very clear purpose in life.
Yes, sir.
Because unless you have a purpose or a vision, you will always be challenged. And there are a lot of learning from these challenges that you face. So we have been facing a lot of challenges in our lifestyle. And just to give you a small instance, I remember when I passed out from school and we had a large textile group and had a lot of industries. So in 1974, when I passed out and joined the family business, our whole business was nationalized by the Janata government in 1978. And at that time, my father was taking responsibility of looking after the activities of the business. But he was a firm believer in karma. He always felt that one should perform his duties to the best of his ability and not be over anxious with regard to the results. He always was also into Gita in a big way, Bhagavad Gita,
Yeah.
and he always left everything to God because there's so many external factors that are happening. Nobody knows what will be the government
Those
policy,
can't be controlled.
which cannot be controlled, which is absolutely beyond than what you can do. So he resurrected from that. He was determined. He didn't get influenced by that adverse factor which happened. And then he established new units and bounced back. So ultimately, if you have the courage and conviction, and if you work with passion, then you can always bounce back, irrespective of the hurdles or the problems or roadblocks that you have in life.
Yes.
This is what I believe in, and that is a message for me to the students as well. That always try to bounce back and do your best in whatever you want to achieve.
It is a trial and error process. Errors are there. Sir, if you could give us one magic mantra that we should abide by to reach our goals.
Well, I personally feel that there's no magic mantra, but the one I personally believe in is hard work, because I feel that you can't substitute hard work. You have to give your 100%. And I have been a sportsman throughout my life, apart from being good in studies as well. And I have been reading a lot of autobiographies, both of people in business and also sports people. And what I've seen about these sports people, whether it is Sachin Tendulkar in cricket or Michael Jordan in basketball, that they work with so much of dedication, so much of rigor, so much of pressure that they're able to handle everything. I will remember when I was reading a book on Sachin Tendulkar, and these batsmen, when they are at the top and performing for their country, the amount of pressure they will be having. Every ball they face is coming at 100 miles, and they have to, within seconds, or maybe
react to that
1/100th of a second, they have to realize how to navigate that particular ball and how to respond to that particular and the whole world is watching them.
Yeah.
So the amount of pressure that they have during that time is something amazing. In the same book, I was reading that one of the bowlers, an Australian bowler, when he bowled him out in Australia, he was a spinner, and a particular spinner by the which is known as the Chinaman bowler.
Ah.
And the bowler came to him, to Sachin Tendulkar, and he said that Sachin, I have bowled you out. I want your autograph on this ball because I bowled you out, and I want you to write that I bowled you out. And what did Sachin write on that ball? He signed it and he said, this is the first and the last time you have bowled me out. After
Oh.
that, they played for 35 tests and different formats. And Sachin committed himself that he was never bowled out by the same bowler again. So, this is the level of commitment that these people have. Likewise for Michael Jordan. If he practices a shot, he will practice it for 10,000 times because he does not know ultimately what will be the challenge which the opposition will create to him. And these challenges you have to meet. So it is not only exactly doing the shot the way it has to be done, but also physical fitness has to be there to be able to cope up with the stamina,
Have those
the
reflexes and
pressure,
react in those
the
30
reflexes, as you mentioned. So all those things are there. And I've seen that these people also have great coaches because it is important for people, more for students, for business people, to have people who can tell you what your weaknesses are, what your shortcomings are. Then only you'll be able to improve. And I personally believe in the last thing that I want to put across when you ask me this question is that some people say that one is a born leader. He has innate talents. But I personally feel while some people might be blessed, but whether it is any talent, any skill, any competency that can be nurtured, that can be harnessed. Great leaders can become if they just follow the mantra of hard work, commitment, perseverance, dedication.
Yes.
And I think ordinary people can become extraordinary because of this.